Hi, beautiful people, and welcome to Tasha's Kitchen. And in today's video, I will be sharing a delicious recipe with you. Please do enjoy. I'm firstly going to start off by chopping up a half of an onion. Next, I will be chopping up half of a green pepper. If you have red peppers and yellow peppers, you can also use that, but if you don't have, it's also fine. I'm now going to grate 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to grate 3 carrots. You could also chop the carrots, it's optional. In a pot, throw a little bit of oil in on a low to medium heat. I'm going to be frying the onions, the peppers, and the garlic for a few minutes. Thereafter, I will add the carrots to the pot and let it fry with the onions, garlic, and green pepper. And then I will add a half a cup of water in 1 beef stock. Now I'm going to add some ground ginger to the pot. I really don't measure, I just throw until the ancestors tell me, okay, that's enough, my child. And then I'm gonna let it simmer for a few minutes. I'm now going to add the pork. I cooked it like an hour before I started cooking because I want it to be soft and tender. After adding the meat, I'm going to be adding half of a beef stock, and then I will let it simmer for a few minutes just so that the flavors can marinate together. Then I will add a half a cup of water again, and then I will let it simmer for a few minutes before adding the potatoes. Now I will add in 1 beef stock in a cup of water and let that cook until the potatoes are soft. Thereafter, you could use any soup of your liking. Then let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes, and then you have your stew. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Questions or comments, leave it down below.